Hello everyone, hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you how I use my knowledge on Excel to create a basic application for accounting. I thank God who gave me the opportunity, the energy, the time frames and the occasion to record it. Yeah, I use my knowledge on Excel in the first level accounting I learned at the university to create this application, since Excel feature micro programming language called Basic Visual for Application. This application can be used for a small business or for a personal purposes. Yeah, it helps us to track our budget or to know the our financial style and to regularize it, to know how we are spending our money out or we are spending our money in. Yeah, and he help us to know the month or the day, the week or the month or the year we spent too much money, and to decide how we can make it to be normal or it can fit our need. Yeah, and with this application we can have more information than that, but this application cannot offer us the the symbol of the entitle for the need we use money for, but I am about working on it, to improve it. So let us dive in the explanation. Yeah, to create this application on my Excel sheet, I set a range in what we have 12 columns. And the rows depends on the period we are we need to know our financial stat. It could be a day, a week, a month or a year. So the rows depends on the period. The number of rows depends on the period. The first column represents the date, the second represents the entitle, and the third represents the enter amount, and the fifth represent the quality of the enter amount, and the fifth represent the amount out, and the sixth represent the quality of the amount out. And in a ordinary telling, the other column represents balances, color, and color, the cost, and the date. And for other columns help the user to type or to record his information according to his need. So the column date help the user to record the date or when he used the money, and the entitled help the user to type or to record what he used the money for, and the column enter help the user to record the amount of the money he spent out, and the the out help the user to record the money he spends the money out, Yeah, and for quality and qualities, he yeah he tell about the nature of the money. Yeah, if the user spends the money out, the nature will be positive. And if he spends the money, if he spend the money in, the nature will be positive. But if he spend the money out, the nature will be negative. Yeah, for balance, he give the owner the information about the amount he still have in his wallet, and this amount could be zero, or yeah, plus, that means he still have money, or minus, that means he owe someone money. Yeah, and for other column, yeah, it is standard information, and I set it and protect it so that the application could be uh, easy to use for the user, so he could not have too much work by using it. Yeah, and yeah, I protect this, and yeah, to set the application well, I use the sum function to set the standard information on qualities balance, and I use if to set the standard information and color and the nature of the amount, the spended amount out or in. Yeah, and to set the yeah the sum function in enter quality. Yeah, I wrote the equation. Yeah, uh, equal plus the enter amount, and the quality of the spended amount out, I wrote the equation equal minus spended amount out. Yeah, and for balances, I wrote the sum function equal plus spended amount in plus spended amount out, and plus the allowed amount in the cells of balances. Yeah, and I have to note here, to use if, I had to set the general equation, and for the general equation we write it, like this: equal if, and open the parenthesis and say logical underscore test, comma, and open the square parenthesis and write value, and after value underscore if underscore, and wrote the nature, it could be in, and again we close the square parenthesis and write comma, then we open the square parenthesis and write again value underscore if underscore again, and wrote out, and close the square parenthesis and the last parenthesis. Yeah, that is the general equation. Yeah, and then to to set the nature of the spended amount, I use this information equal if the spended amount out, the spended amount in is more than the spended amount out, say enter. If no, say out. Yeah, that is what I use to set the nature of all spended amount on color. Yeah, and to define the color, I go to conditional formatting, and I went to new role, and after that a tab come on the screen, and on that tab we will have a function bar where we will write first the general equation and then set the color. And to set the color we use the general equation, that is yeah, equal, yeah, we set a cell, and then if that cell is, for example, what I have here, uh, yeah, I3, yeah, equal again, enter, yeah, say enter or say no, or say out if no. Yeah, that is how I set the color. Yeah, and before finish on that tape, we set the color we need to use for the amount expended, the nature of the spended amount in, and the spended amount enter, and say okay 2 times. And to, yeah, to have the chart on the application, I select all the amounts on the column I need to have the chart, and when to insert and click on the chart I need to use. Yeah, I hope you listen this video very well, and hope it will help you to have information you need, and feel free to ask me how you could use it, and feel free also to tell me about limit of the application, because I am about working on it and still improving. Thank you.